Well, hello to all my awesome YouTube fans. How are you doing today? Well, thank you so much for tuning in today's awesome vlog. Curious on what I'm doing today in my awesome room today. Basically, what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at what's inside of the Slim PlayStation 2 itself and see what else I need to replace in this unit. Basically, I know the motherboard in this is still pretty good, and it's nothing really wrong with the wrong thing. Is I would like to actually physically play my older PlayStation 2 games. It's nothing special, you know. Of course, you've seen what the ports look like right here, and you've also probably seen the ports right here. But what is on the inside? Let's go and let's have some fun and take a look at it, shall we? It's gonna be awesome. So let's go ahead and take the top cover off and see what it looks like on the inside of this little unit. Now, of course, this might be a pain to take apart because it's clip on these on either side of the PlayStation 2. And it's not that difficult to take the cover off. Very simple. But basically, here's what it looks like on the inside of a PlayStation 2 if you're curious. A very interesting and very awesome design. Now let's go ahead and take the bottom piece off. Just be careful with the little on and off switch right though. We don't damage anything. Here's the bottom piece. This is basically the shell of it. Now, if I can't get this thing to work, I may just actually physically sell this on eBay for parts only. Very interesting. That's something you're gonna say, Chris, it should have worked with your PlayStation 2, but here's the difference. It looks the same. Okay, this is the older unit. Basically, here's the motor spindle here. Basically, here's the drive shaft for the laser. It moves up and down, but the parts may be physically different. Basically, but it's not. When you look at this laser assembly, it's basically the exact same part number what's on this guy right here. But I don't know what else I need to replace. Do I need to replace this cable too? I tried every single way to reseat all these cables, basically. For example, here is the battery, here is the fan, of course this is the processor right over here, and the motor assembly, the laser, and the shaft. It moves the laser up and down. Alright, here's the motherboard, and basically here's all the different connectors. I'm trying to be very careful not to touch it too much. Very interesting. Why do you want to get the old PlayStation 2 Slim to work again? Me and my girl like to play video games together. Sometimes when she comes up here, if she's bored, maybe we can do some things together, and that's pretty awesome. But the other thing you also have to be very careful with is taking anything apart without physically breaking your system itself. Let me show you what I mean. Here's basically the little circuit board with the LED switch and on switch and the IR sensor for the remote. And you look on the back, it's very small and thin, you don't want to break this. It also has this little ribbon cable as well, basically. Now, anything can break on a PlayStation 2. Slim or fat or any type of technology nowadays. For example, like this laser can also break. This drive shaft can also break. This disc spinning motor can also break. And that's what basically I was trying to replace on it. And fortunately it didn't work. I had to buy a non-eye for it eventually. But there is the part number if you're curious. What can you do? Some things just wear out over time. Now, here is the PlayStation Slim without the case on it. Here is your controllers with E-connect to, and also the memory card connects over here, and USBs as well. That's pretty cool. And also on the back of the unit, you can notice, has your power jack, video out and audio out, and Ethernet. You don't know why it's an Ethernet jack though, because I don't think the Ethernet really works on this unit. It's just trying to figure out how to get all working again, basically. And here's what the connectors look like. Very interesting. Alright, if you guys enjoyed this supporting this channel, please hit that subscribe button. Leave an awesome comment down below. Please like, please share. Peace out. Well, please see you in the future vlog, and have a nice day. Catch you later, and I will get this unit working again. If not, I may just sell it on eBay for parts. Have a nice day.